Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today's video is going to be a super short one, but I am going to explain the absolute easiest way to get wealthy in the crypto market. And it's not about some it's not about some kind of secret strategy or anything like that or whatever. It literally all boils down to common sense. In the end, you will see, all right? Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you're interested in trading and would like to try the same exchange that I use, feel free to go ahead and check out the MEXC crypto exchange. You can find a link to it in the description below this video. I personally love this exchange because 1, they allow me to trade crypto futures. 2, they do not deal with the same BS drama that, Binance and Coinbase deal with on a regular basis. And 3, they've got over 1,500 different altcoins for altcoin nerds like myself to be able to buy and trade at any given time, all right? Now here's the thing, you guys, all right? It goes without saying, it literally goes without saying that everyone and their mom wants to get wealthy in crypto, all right? I mean, literally, who doesn't, right? However, the key to making it happen rests solely on your decision making, all right? It literally does, you guys. And I'm not talking about investing into specific coins or anything like that, all right? I am talking about everything from your mindset to your emotions, your research capabilities, and much more, okay? This is serious stuff, all right? I am not going at this from like a broad mindset and being like, oh, you need to buy this coin and this coin and this coin. No, this is real stuff. This is like in your mindset type stuff, okay? Here's the thing. Getting wealthy in crypto definitely can happen, all right? Literally, all it takes is the perfect recipe to make it happen. I mean, literally, in order to make a good meal, you have to have a recipe, all right? It's the same thing with crypto or investing in any market. In order to get wealthy, you have to have the right recipe to make it happen, all right? And there are literally multiple ways to make it happen, all right? But I will say this, okay? It likely will not happen from day trading, and it will not happen from day trading the spot market, but it definitely could happen from trading the futures market if you know what you're doing. But trading crypto is obviously pretty risky, and it's definitely not the easiest way to get wealthy in crypto, as the title of this video says, okay? Realistically, the easiest way to get wealthy in crypto these days is to buy good small cap altcoins that are built on top tier ecosystems at the bottom of a bear cycle and hold on to them to the peak of the next bull market. It's literally that simple, you guys. It literally is. That's exactly how everyone does it, okay? All the people that make the big money, that's how they do it, okay? It's literally that easy, and this is literally how the majority of big-name crypto investors have struck it rich in previous bull markets, okay? However, just because I say it's easy to do does not mean it doesn't require any work or effort on your end, okay? Realistically, you need to create the perfect recipe to make it happen, all right? And here's the thing. This recipe will consist of 5 different things, and here they are, okay? The first thing it requires is thorough research and due diligence into whatever coins you want to hold long term, okay? Number 2, it requires making sure you are buying during the bear market and not while it's rising, okay? Number 3, controlling your emotions and being disciplined enough to be able to hold them for the long term. The problem I see here with number 3 is there's all kinds of people where, here's the thing. You get up to the top right here and they immediately want to sell. They want to sell out their long-term holding positions. So they end up selling, and then they end up screwing themselves because they're not able to get the price back down to their overall average buy price from when they bought down here. Therefore, they're not able to accumulate as much as they were before because it didn't go down far enough, all right? So that's what I'm talking about with number 3, is you need to control those emotions and you need to be disciplined enough to be able to hold on to it for the long term, okay? If you're in this for the long term, you should not be selling, okay? You should be holding and accumulating more. Anyway, that brings me to number 4. And number 4 is accumulate as much as you can whenever you have extra funds, okay? And number 5, sell everything in a ladder formation in the height of the bull market, okay? It's literally 5 things that consist of this recipe. That's literally all it takes, you guys. It's literally so easy, it's not even funny, all right? Now the reason, here's the thing, all right? This is literally the easiest and most simple way to get wealthy in crypto. And the reason why it doesn't happen for most people is because they lack one of these 5 crucial steps, like I was just talking about earlier. The number one thing that most people lack is that number 3 step. being or controlling their emotions, and being disciplined enough to hold for the long term, okay? That is the reason why the majority of people do not strike it rich, okay? It's their emotions that tell them that they need to sell, and therefore they are no longer long-term holders, and therefore they end up losing what they had, and then they end up calling the project a scam or something like that, or complaining, and that's exactly what happens, all right? Now here's the thing. Normally what retail investors lack is the ability to control their emotions and be disciplined enough to hold long-term, okay? I cannot stress this enough. Typically what happens is they'll see a normal correction in the market and they'll sell all of their positions and they'll royally screw themselves over, okay? Literally, you guys, all you have to do is buy, all you have to do is buy it, forget that you own it, and accumulate more whenever you can afford to buy more. That's literally all it takes, you guys. And it's been proven time and time again as well. There's a reason why people in the crypto space always say to have patience, and this is the reason why, okay? Now, if any of you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in this video, feel free to reach out to me on Twitter because, hey, I love to help people, which is the main reason I started this channel, so don't hesitate to reach out if you've got any questions whatsoever. But overall, guys, hey, that's going to pretty much do it for this short video, so I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.